there. Just make sure JFRD goes to a safe staging area to contain.
10-4.
Kilo 360, 1097 on the 34. Kilo 360, 10-4.
To the responding units, let me get someone to go around back. I've got eyes on the door for the room that the person's in right now. Drop it!
JFRD, is there a risk?
Shots fired. Shots fired. I've got one on the ground. He's disarmed.
Right there! Stop! Stop right there!
Stop! Back up! Back up! Back up!
259, shots fired.
159, 48.
Acknowledged.
Yeah, I've got one suspect on the ground. He's disarmed at the moment. Hey, Hutch, he's done, he's done. Stay back!
10-4.
I don't know, he just came rushing out the front door. There's a rifle right here up against this tree.